Okay, Hishma. Okay, Samaira. What happened? Nabil, Khalid, Matthew, Minashi.
Yes, sir. I did for the preparation, not for the chemical properties.
नहीं वो नहीं पूछा, पूरा क्यों नहीं किया? Then why not you completed it? Okay, Hishma, Samaira, and Minashi, can आप भेज दीजिएगा ये 4 पेज हमको please. In WhatsApp, just send me the photos. No need for making PDFs. Just send me the photos. Yes, Khalid, भूल गए आप? Very good, Minashi. Very good. Also, Minashi, like you can condense it even more, and you can bring it up into 4 pages only. Okay. So, for example, you have written here, no? Initially, the first thing was methods of preparation, right? So, in method of preparation, you can start like this. For example, you have alcohols. Now, no matter what type of alcohol you are using, and what type of reagent you are using, you are going to get what? Haloalkane. Okay. So from here, you can use the reagent like this. You can use PCl3, you will write. You can use PCl5, you will write. You can use SOCl2, you will write. Okay. Or what you can use HCl, right? And you can use, what else you can use? Yeah. These are the main reagents, right? That you can use here. So आप ऐसे लिख लेते हैं इसको. So see, all the alcohols has been done in one line only. Right, Minashi? Right. Okay. And similarly, for example, after alcohols, we did by what? Alkanes, right? Alkanes. So in alkenes, what do we use? We use X2 in the presence of H nu, correct? So ये एक आपका हो जाता. Then what else do we use? We use alkene also, right? We use alkene also. Now in alkene you will write, first of all, alkene. And in alkene you can write HBr, right? And we will write dark. We'll write Marco. And similarly, alkene, in the presence of sunlight or peroxide, HBr. It will be anti-Marco. ठीक है, एग्जैक्ट जो आपके पास केमिकल रिएक्शंस ऑफ केमिकल इक्वेशन है वो नहीं अभी आपको चाहिए. आपको व्हाट डू यू नीड? यू नीड हाउ टू गो फ्रॉम अ क्लास ऑफ फंक्शनल ग्रुप टू अनदर क्लास ऑफ फंक्शनल ग्रुप, राइट? हाउ टू गो फ्रॉम अल्कोहल्स टू हैलोअल्केन. जो स्पेसिफिक्स हैं दे शुड बी प्रेजेंट इन योर नोटबुक एंड योर दे शुड बी प्रेजेंट इन योर नोटबुक जो आपके पास एग्जैक्ट रिएक्शंस है. लेकिन आपको पता है कि अगर मार्कोनिकॉफ रूल्स क्या होता है, एंटी मार्कोनिकॉफ क्या होता है, देन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दीस ऑल ऑफ दीस इक्वेशंस. है ये एक कंडेंस फॉर्म में आपके पास आ जाएगा, राइट? ओके. So who else has done this reaction map? Tell me the 4 reaction map. I've got from Samaira and Hishmat now. Preparation of haloalkane, very good. Okay, and then you have nucleophilic substitution, electrophilic substitution. Preparation chemical properties लिखना था. Samaira. Samaira.
Yes, sir.
Chemical properties of haloalkane and haloarene ना. Chemical preparation लिख दिया है आपने गलती से. अच्छा हाँ, आपने हैलोअल्केन में ठीक लिखा है, हैलोअरीन में अच्छा इससे प्रॉपर्टीज भी हैं. नहीं, ये तो सारा आपका यही है, केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ही है ना. अच्छा, प्रिपरेशन नीचे आगे होगा. प्रिपरेशन, हाँ ठीक है. अरे आपने प्रिपरेशन के 2 पेजेस बना दिए क्या? प्रिपरेशन के 2 पेजेस भेज दिए हैं. अब प्रिपरेशन है ही नहीं. समायरा, हैलोअरीन का प्रिपरेशन नहीं है. Yes, Samira?
I made the 1 minute.
हाँ हाँ, आपने एक फोटो 2 बार भेज दिया लगता है. ओके, हिश्मा का देखते हैं. ओके, केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज, alkylating reagent. ओके ओके, हाँ ठीक है, सही. हाँ, like this also you can make. Now you have, see, Hishma ने बहुत अच्छा बनाया. Hishma, can I share yours? हाँ.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, ठीक है. So just as inspiration you can take these. Okay, Hishma ने किया है. First page जो है आपका, this is अच्छा, एग्जांपल्स के साथ आपने बनाए हैं. ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. ओके फाइन. ठीक है. ओके, और किसी ने नहीं बनाया है? नो वन डिड दिस. हाँ, रिएक्शन मैप्स. यस, नबील खान, नबील अहमद, नबील खान.
No, I haven't, sir.
वाई? बोला था ना हमने. कल हम लोग क्या करेंगे? आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं कन्वर्जेंस करने वाले हैं. सारे रिएक्शंस आपकी नोटबुक में होने चाहिए. आपने भी नहीं किया. सलमान, व्हाट हैपेंड? नहीं किया आपने भी?
Sir, मैंने देखा था वो, but करा नहीं. Photocopy.
ये रिएक्शन मैप्स ऑफ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ हालोअल्केन, प्रिपरेशन ऑफ हालोअरीन.
No.
आप लोगों ने नोट डाउन भी नहीं किया था क्या होमवर्क है कॉपी में? सलमान?
No, I think I left the meeting by then. Not sure.
मीटिंग में
Because of network issues.
ओके. व्हाट अबाउट नबील खान? आपने अब थे कि नहीं थे क्लास में? चलिए, अब तो क्या ही कर सकते हैं. जल्दी लेकिन इसको कर लीजिए, ठीक है. एंड कीप योर नोटबुक, कीप योर नोटबुक. आज कुछ लिखिएगा मत. जिन लोगों ने रिएक्शन मैप नहीं किया ना, उन लोग, आप लोग कुछ लिखिएगा मत आज. यू जस्ट सी वेयर आई एम गोइंग. ओके, एंड आप अपने नोटबुक में उस पर्टिकुलर रिएक्शन के पास जाइएगा, देखिएगा, है ना. यू हैव टू फ्लिप सम पेजेस, दैट्स इट. सारे रिएक्शंस तो आपके नोटबुक में होने ही चाहिए. You just don't have it in a condensed form. Okay, let me start then. Haloalkane, organic conversions, right? Can all of you see the screen? Hello, can all of you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Organic conversions, haloalkane, haloarene. There are two things which are as a requirement for organic conversions. Those two things are expertise in common IUPAC nomenclature. That means you have to know how IUPAC nomenclature works, because you will be given to convert from some name to some other name. They will not give you structure. Okay. So in order to know the structure, you should be understanding what is this IUPAC nomenclature and how to convert this name to structure. How you have to convert the name to structure. Then you should have this reaction map. Right now you will have this as a handout or in your notebook. Okay, whatever you have condensed. But this reaction map, it should be there where in your brain. In the examination, all of these reactions, not all of these reactions, what you will be looking at also while we are doing the conversions, you will be looking at patterns and important reactions. And these patterns you have to remember, and these important reactions you have to remember. Okay, so most of the things you will learn in this particular class, that is for conversions, it will be very condensed. Pura ka pura haloalkane jo hai, and some other reactions also you will learn in this class. So please pay attention and try to look for patterns and try to note down the patterns that we are having. Now, the next thing is, there are how many conversions, organic conversions? There are 30 organic conversions in this chapter, haloalkane, haloarene, out of which 2 are repeated. Out of which 2 are repeated. And so we will have how much? We will have 28 unique organic conversions. Okay. Now, these 28 unique organic conversions in your NCERT, they have been given here and there complete. Even though some of them have pattern, they have been given very, like, some is like they start with very tough ones, then in the middle it is very easy, then it again goes tough, right? So what I have did, I have started with the simple ones first. Started with the simple one. I took all the 28, started with the simple ones, and then I have gone to complicated organic conversions. Okay, complicated organic conversions. And also I have clubbed them in such a way that like the first 4 or first 5, they will have same type of reactions, so that वो चीज आपके दिमाग में बिल्कुल बन जाए. तो जब आप आगे पहले 2 सवाल कर लीजिए, हम आपको करा दे 2 सवाल, तो तीसरा सवाल आपसे खुद से हो जाए. Okay, so please pay attention and we'll start now. Okay, so almost everyone is here, right? Okay, fine. See, so first reaction is 1 chlorobutane to N octane. First of all, what we will do, we'll make the structure of 1 chlorobutane. So in chlorobutane, we will have 4 carbons, and then we will have 1 chlorine atom. And we are going to convert this to, we have to convert this to N octane, normal octane. Octanes means 8 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now, whenever you are going from here, we have how many carbon atoms? 4 carbon. And here we have 8 carbon. Now tell me, in which reaction there is a doubling of carbon atoms? We get double the number of carbon atoms. In which reaction? Have we done any reaction in which we get double the number of carbon atoms? Flip some pages, flip some pages. मिल जाएगा आप लोगों को. और जिन लोगों ने reaction maps बनाए हैं वो तो बताइए. Which is the reaction in which we get double the number of carbon atoms?
Which reaction?
है ना? Reaction with sodium and dry ether, right? Now you can easily see that. I will just put up here sodium and dry ether. Okay, and I will get what? From 1 chlorobutane to N octane. Hi Anna, boliye bhai. Yes or no?
Yes.
Khalid, right? Okay. Now this is, see how fast these girls are now, because they have the reaction up. They can just look. Okay, fine. I have a chlorobutane. That means I will look in the chemical properties of haloalkane. The chemical properties of haloalkane, where I'm getting double the number of carbon atoms. That's it. They have to do. Okay. Now please look at the next question. Chloroethane to butane. So again, you will make chloroethane. So you have 2 carbons, chlorine atom, and you have to go to butane, 4 carbon atoms. What will be the reagent? Please turn your mic on and tell me, all of you. Please turn your mic on. And also, please remember, whatever today's class. बताइए. Reagent. Yes, reagent.
Sodium and dry ether.
Sodium and dry ether. Okay. Also, today I will be marking who are participating, and that will be going as a viva. Okay, for you guys. So please, जो लोग ज़्यादा participate करेंगे, I will give them marks. Who are not participating more, you will not get marks. Okay, please remember this. Now, chloroethane to butane, it will be what? Sodium in the presence of what? Dry ether. Sodium in the presence of dry ether. Okay, let us move to this part. 2 chlorobutane to 3,4-diol methyl hexane. So we have 2 chlorobutane. So 2 chlorobutane कैसे बनाएंगे? 1, 2, 3, 4. And the second carbon will have chlorine.
Here.
And here we will have, yes. Someone is saying something.
No, sir.
No, okay. 3
Sir,
pure.
should we write those questions?
No. You don't have to write. You will just listen, and then you will do this once again. I will send you this PDF. You have to do this once again. Okay. Got it? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
अभी समझिए यहाँ पे बैठ कर बिल्कुल आराम से, कुछ डाउट है तो पूछिए, बट यू डोंट कॉपी दिस थिंग्स, ओके? आप लोगों को खुद से ही करना है। 3,4 डाइमिथाइल हेक्सेन, so it will be 1 2 4 5 6, and we will have 1 2 3 4 5 6. We will have CS3 here, and we will have CS3 here, right? CS3 CS3. So this is what 3,4 dimethyl hexane. Now whenever you are going, again you can see here that we have 4 carbons, and if you count here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 carbon atoms. Here we have what? 8 carbon atoms. So what you will do whenever you see this pattern, there are double the number of carbon atoms, you will try doing sodium and dry ether. Okay, always at least you try doing sodium and dry ether. So if I will have sodium in the presence of dry ether, then what is going to happen? How do we write this? We write this like this ना, देखिए आप लोग लिखते होंगे ऐसे, ये सवाल हम लोगों ने क्लास में भी किया है, yes or no? We will get this product, हाँ या ना बोलिए please.
Yes,
Will we
sir.
get this
Yes,
product,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So we can now number it 1 2 3 4 5 6, and you can see we have CS3 here. This is what? CS3. This is CS3. CS3 is in how many position? What position? Third and fourth position. This structure and this structure are what? Same structures, right? So again the conversion will be with sodium in the presence of dry ether. Sodium in the presence of dry ether. आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा बताइए सब कोई? Can all
Yes, sir.
आ रहा है? Yes, okay, very good. Now we have benzene to biphenyl. So I will make a benzene first. Benzene to biphenyl. Right, this is biphenyl. This question is repeated once they have asked benzene to biphenyl, and one question they have asked benzene to diphenyl. ठीक है? So this one is the repeated question. चलिए. So you can see the double the number of carbon atoms. Yes or no? Please tell me.
Sir,
Double the number of carbon.
Yes, sir.
Double the. Okay. So what reagent will be used? What reagent?
Sodium and dry ether.
ना मर गए सब मर गए. हाँ? अरे भाई बेंजीन से नहीं होगा ना. You should have what? Haloarene. Yes or no? Double देखा नहीं. थोड़ा थम के. Yes. First you will convert this to what? Benzene तो नहीं देगा ना sodium और dry ether से. What will give? You will either have RX or you should have
Bromo benzene
haloarene.
something.
You should have some chlorobenzene or bromobenzene, right? यहाँ पे this is what type of reaction? Tell me what is the name of this reaction? जो हम लोगों को करना है.
Phytic reaction.
Phytic reaction. अरे halogenation नहीं. हाँ पहले halogenation कर लेंगे यहाँ पे. First we will do halogenation here. What we will use for halogenation? जिनके पास reaction map है वो तो तुरंत बता दीजिए. Benzene से haloalkene बनाना है. Benzene से haloalkene. How should we make benzene to haloalkane? What reagent should we use?
FeCl3.
And in the presence of
FeCl3.
no, सिर्फ FeCl3 वो catalyst है. That is not a reagent. Wrong answer. AlCl3 wrong answer. There should be something else also.
Cl2.
and efficiency.
Yeah, correct. Very good. सैफ आपने reaction map बनाया है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Good, very good. है ना? Cl2 important है. AlCl3 तो आपका क्या है? Halogen carrier है. आपको याद होगा जब हम लोग halogenation कर रहे थे तो. Okay. So here we will get what? Chlorine. अब इसके बाद क्या यूज करेंगे हम लोग? Sodium and dry ether. So देख रहे हैं आप? Earlier we had only this reaction. अब एक step बढ़ गया बस. Yes or no, please? Can all of you see that? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? So now whenever you get this type of thing, what you will see that can I make haloalkane in order to make the double the number of carbon atom. Okay, so benzene to biphenyl and diphenyl. Conversions are not very tough. Okay, you just need to look at patterns. अब देखिए यहीं पे कितने सवाल हो गए. If for sodium and dry ether we had 1, we had 2, 3, 4, है ना? Almost 4 questions we have done till now, which is of what? Sodium and dry ether, in which we have using this reaction. That means this reaction is not very important. That means you have reaction which are Wurtz reaction, you have phytic reaction, and Wurtz phytic reaction is what? These are important reactions for conversions. अब इसके ऊपर आपका focus रहेगा. And I have put them in a pattern that सब एक के बाद आ रहे हैं, है ना? So I hope दिमाग में आपके छप गया हो. Then here we have, see, now we are looking at another pattern. But1ene, but2ene. Now you look at the next question, 2-methyl, 2-chloro, 2-methyl. Okay. Then you look at another question, but1ene to N-butyl iodide. 1 bromopropane, 2 bromopropane. 2 bromopropane, 1 bromopropane. Okay, so these are all patterned. Okay, these are all patterned. So whenever you have 1 to 2, again, 1 but1ene. But1 is what? We have 4 carbon atoms, and I have to convert this to 4 carbon atoms. Now what is changing? The placement of double bond is changing, right? So the double bond is in the first position first, and the double bond is in the second position in the next one. So whenever you change the position to adjacent carbon, and whenever you have a 1 to 2 ka change, right? If you have 1 to 2 ka change, then Markovnikov or anti-Markovnikov will be used. Markovnikov will be or anti-Markovnikov will be used. Also, one more thing. Now, if you look at here, this but1-ene was, it is less, it has less alkyl groups or less substituted. It is less substituted. एक ही alkyl group है यहाँ पे. If you look at this is more alkyl, more substituted. It is what? More substituted. So we are going from less substituted to more substituted. तो बताइए, in which of this reaction, Markovnikov और anti-Markovnikov में किसमें हमारे पास more substituted product बनता है? Tell me guys, in which do we get more substituted product?
Markovnikov.
Markovnikov. So there will be somewhere Markovnikov यहाँ पे use हो रहा होगा. Okay, can all of you see how to do these type of conversions? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes,
समझ
sir.
में आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है? Okay, fine. चलिए, so first of all what we'll do? Markovnikov है ना? First we'll do Markovnikov. So Markovnikov is done in HBr in the presence of dark, right? So what we will get? We'll get more substituted product. That is, I will get Br here. अब ये बताइए. Now what you have to do? You have to go from haloalkane to alkene. What is the reagent? Who will tell me? The reagent to go from haloalkane to alkene. Chemical properties में देखिए haloalkane के. What is the reagent? From haloalkane to alkene.
Alcoholic AH.
Alcoholic KH. मीनाक्षी आपने कहा बताया ना शायद. हाँ. और किसी को याद ही नहीं आया है ना? Alcoholic KOH. इस पे तो इतने सारे क्वेश्चंस भी हैं. Why aqueous KOH gives alcohol? Why alcoholic KOH gives alkene? Right? You have this type of questions also, right? Why do alcoholic KOH they show elimination reaction, whereas aqueous KOH they show substitution reaction? Because in alcoholic KOH we have the alkoxide ion, which is a stronger base. That is why they can eliminate. So I hope you can see this product forming, yes or no? More substituted product. This will be according to the Setzeff rule. Major product, yes or no? Please tell me, guys. दिख रहा है नहीं
Yes,
दिख
sir.
रहा है?
Yeah,
And all
yes.
of you can see this reaction, right? It is from your notebook. Nothing difficult here. Now let's move to the next one. Now here it will be अच्छा यहाँ पे 2-chloro 2-methyl will have some dash here. So 2-methyl propene. So 2-methyl propene will be something like this. Double bond. This is propene. Second carbon will have CS3, and I want to have a chlorine in the second carbon and CS3 in the second carbon. Okay, and we have propane. So this is my product. This is my product that I want. Now you tell me, in this carbon atom, alkene से haloalkane. Okay, what we are doing? Alkene to haloalkane. So what will be the reagent? Tell me, guys. What will be the reagent from alkene to haloalkane? Yes, Samira.
HCl.
HCl.
हाँ, HCl होगा. HBr नहीं होगा, HCl होगा. Okay, HCl, right? And obviously peroxide या no peroxide? Tell me, what will we use? Will we use peroxide? More substituted है तो किसमें होगा? Dark में होगा. Okay, we don't need to use any peroxide because it is more substituted product. Also HCl it does not work in peroxide. वो same ही product देगा यहाँ पे. Okay, so I hope you can see this reaction also happening. ठीक है? ध्यान रखिए whatever we are doing. Again this is what? This is Markovnikov addition. Earlier वाला भी क्या था आपके पास? Markovnikov addition. Okay, Markovnikov plus Setzeff. Markovnikov and Setzeff. This combination is very crucial. Markovnikov and Setzeff combination आपको बहुत बार मिलेगा. Now let us look at the another one. But1-ene. We have but1-ene to N-butyl iodide. But1-ene. So this is my but1-ene. Now I have to go to butyl iodide. So this is normal butyl, and then I have iodine group here. अब बताइए यहाँ पे what reagent should be used? Please tell me. Alkene to haloalkane. Alkene to haloalkane. What reagent should I use? Yes, Samira.
Hydrogen iodide. HI. Hydrogen iodide.
HI देखिए अगर हम HI यूज करेंगे ना तो क्या बनेगा? ये बनेगा ना more substituted product. Yes or no? Please tell me. पढ़ा होगा आप लोगों ने, हैलोजन हैलाइड यूज करने से व्हाट वी विल गेट, ऑलवेज वी विल गेट मार्कोनिकॉव एडिशन. ओके, यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सो व्हाट वी कैन डू हियर, देखिए नाउ आपके पास जो, नाउ वी नीड एंटी मार्कोनिकॉव प्रोडक्ट, यस और नो? ये दिख रहा होगा सबको, करेक्ट? वी नीड एंटी मार्कोनिकॉव प्रोडक्ट, यस और नो? प्लीज टेल मी.
Yes.
है ना, ये क्या आपका, दिस इज मार्कोनिकॉव प्रोडक्ट. ओके, we need an anti-Markovnikov product, and we know that anti-Markovnikov can only happen if we have Br. Okay, we can only do HBr. Okay, HBr and peroxide. Only this shows what anti-Markovnikov. So पहले हम लोग यही करेंगे. First, what we will do? First, we will do this reaction. We will have HBr in the presence of peroxide. HBr in the presence of peroxide. HBr. The presence of peroxide. Now we will get the Br here. अब ये बताइए, how should I go from one halogen to another halogen? Halogen exchange methods. I have to go from bromine to iodine. What should I use? Bromine to iodine. What should I use?
Sodium
Sodium iodide, sodium bromide, sodium iodide.
Sodium iodide, है ना? Okay. Sodium iodide, है ना? Dry acetone या फिर you have to use dry ether here, right? So this is the reaction. Can all of you see the conversions happening? Yes or no? Please tell me. Tough तो नहीं है? No ना? Okay, fine. Everything is your notebook. Reaction map जिसने बना लिया उसके लिए तो बहुत ही आसान हो जाएगा. You just have to identify what type of reaction we are looking at. So again, you can see here we have used what? Anti-Markovnikov rule. देखिए कितने सवाल है anti-Markovnikov rule से. Next question. This is very crucial. 1 bromopropane to 2 bromopropane. Then the next question is 2 bromopropane to 1 bromopropane. So this is interesting. Again, you can see there's a change of 1 to 2. So we'll make the structure first. Propane. So this is my 1 bromopropane to 2 bromopropane. अब ये बताइए यहाँ पे what we are doing? We are going from less substituted to more substituted. Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes,
So
sir.
Markovnikov or anti-Markovnikov?
Markovnikov.
Markovnikov. So in order to have Markovnikov reaction, what do you need in the reactant? Tell me. For Markovnikov, what is the reactant? Who will tell me for Markovnikov? What is the react? Nabil ne sahi kaha. Double bond. That means alkene. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So first we will make alkene from here. So how can I make alkene? Sorry. How can I make alkene from here? Tell me, guys. What
Hydrogen
reagent should I
light, HBr.
What? नहीं, alkene देख के बताइए. I have to make alkene from haloalkane. Chemical properties में देखिए haloalkane के how to make alkene. Alcoholic
Elimination, sir. Yeah.
alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH. And what we will get? We'll get only one product, which is this one. And now I have to do from alkene to HBr. बताइए what reagent should I use here? Alkene to bromopropane. Alkene to haloalkane, what reagent?
HBr peroxide.
अरे peroxide करेंगे तो anti Markovnikov हो जाएगा सलमान.
Oh,
We
yeah.
will use HBr in dark. Okay, HBr in dark, and I will get what? 2 bromopropane. समझ में आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा सबको?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Raise your hand. किसी को थोड़ा भी डाउट है तो please raise your hand. I'm stopping here. In the previous questions, if you have any doubt, please let me know now. खालिद आपका जवाब नहीं आ रहा था बहुत. Is everything fine? समझ में आ रहा है आपको? खालिद?
Yes, sir. I came now. I was out.
You came now. क्यों?
Yes,
पापा ने भेजा था.
sir. काम था. Yes.
अच्छा काम था. अच्छा okay fine. What about others? नवाल आपकी आवाज भी नहीं आ रही है. नवाल आपको समझ में आ रहा है? अच्छा आंसर ना. अच्छा तो जोर से थोड़ा आंसर कीजिए. आपकी आवाज इधर उधर चली जा रही लगता है. ओके फाइन. अच्छा ये इसके अगले वाले का आप लोग बताइए. ठीक है. For this you all tell me what we will use first and in second reaction क्या होगा यहाँ पे. यहाँ पे we have Br and we have Br here also. Raise your hand if you have इसको आप खुद से कॉपी में बनाइए, है ना. Write this down and try to think. उसी तरह सोचिए जिस तरह हम सोचते हैं. मोर सब्स्टिट्यूटेड से लेस सब्स्टिट्यूटेड जा रहा है तो मार्कोनिकॉव हो गया, एंटी मार्कोनिकॉव होगा. अरे हाँ लेकिन बनाइए, कॉपी में लिख लीजिए एंड देन रेज योर हैंड. सर लिख लिया पूरा रिएक्शन, हम बता सकते हैं कन्वर्शन कैसे होगा. 2 bromopropane to 1 bromopropane. नोटबुक में लिखिए, ट्राई कीजिए एंड देन लेट मी नो। हिश्मा आपको तो आ रहा होगा, ये सनो प्लीज टेल मी हिश्मा।
Yes, sir.
Okay. There are 2 or 3 reactions that you have to remember. Okay, वो आप उसको chemical properties की तरह याद कीजिएगा. And then there are 2 other conversions which are using some reactions from 11th standard. So those 2 reactions, they must be difficult for you guys, और NCERT ने उसको सबसे पहले में ही दे दिया है. So I think Hishma was the one ना who was trying to do conversions. हाँ, ये वाला ethanol to butane जो आप कर रही थी ना हिश्मा, that is, it has a reaction which is from 11th standard. वो इस वजह से आप लोग को नहीं आ रहा था. Okay, so ethanol to butane and ethanol to but1-ine. These are the 2 reactions which uses some chemical properties of alkyne. We will look at these 2 also. हाँ, okay, Saif, you can tell me. हाँ, Saif बताइए. पहला reaction क्या करेंगे? हाँ, first reaction.
Alcoholic KOH.
Okay, alcoholic KOH. And what we will get? Propene. And second reaction किसके साथ होगा बताइए?
HBr.
नहीं, सैफ को बोलेंगे
HBr
ना.
peroxide.
Second reaction.
HBr, वेरी गुड. चलिए, बहुत लोगों ने इसका आंसर दे दिया. व्हाट हैपेंड टू यू गाइस? रिएक्शन मैप वालों का क्या हो गया? समायरा, नवाल, नहीं नवाल ने तो नहीं दिया रिएक्शन मैप. मीनाशी, हिश्मा आ गए? समायरा, ये नहीं हो पा रहा था आपसे?
नहीं हुआ सर.
हुआ था? ओके, फाइन. चलिए, है ना. तो देखिए कितना ज्यादा यहाँ पे ये कॉम्बिनेशन महत्वपूर्ण है. यू नो व्हाट इज महत्वपूर्ण? महत्वपूर्ण मींस इंपॉर्टेंट. Yeah. So we have Markovnikov और anti Markovnikov, है ना? With हाँ, नहीं मतलब हम एक बात बता रहे हैं, जो कॉम्बिनेशन है Markovnikov या anti Markovnikov होगा, and you will have the alcoholic KOH elimination वाला. Okay, so this particular combination is very important. Elimination and then addition, or addition and then elimination. Okay, let's look at the next question. Now this question, it requires you to understand what is tert butyl bromide and what is isobutyl bromide. So what is tert butyl bromide? So tert butyl means tertiary butyl. We have 4 carbon atoms and we have to make a tertiary carbon. So we'll use 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon. As you can see that this is now tertiary. So CS3, 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 and here I will put a bromine atom here, Br. So I have to go from here to isobutyl bromide. What is isobutyl bromide? Isobutyl bromide is, let me write it in CS3s only. That will be easier for you guys to understand. C, we'll have CS3, we'll have CH, we'll have CS3, and this carbon, the middle carbon, will have CH2, and then it will have Br. Okay, so here we have, this is iso structure. In iso, what do we have? We have same number of carbon atoms here and same number of carbon atoms here. That is 1 carbon here, 1 carbon there, and all of the others, they will go above. So if it is isopentyl bromide, we will have CS3, CH, CH2, CH2Br. Okay, so this is the concept of iso here. Now here also you can see that if you name this particular thing, it will be what? This is my main chain, the parent chain, and we have 1 bromo, 1 methyl, propane, and here this is my parent chain. No, this is not my parent chain. My parent chain is, यहाँ पे हमने गलती कर दिया. This is 2 bromo, 2 methyl. Thank you. Okay, and this will be what? This is my parent chain here. So I have here 1 bromo, 2 methyl, propane. Okay, 1 bromo, 2 methyl propane. So you can see that
3 or 2 from, देखिए ना, ये तो 1 हो गया ना. This is 1 carbon, this is second carbon, 2 methyl ना, है ना. So we are going from 2 bromo to 1 bromo. So we are going from more substituted to less substituted. Yes or no? Correct है कि नहीं?
Yes sir.
है ना. So क्या होगा पैटर्न? सबसे पहले इसका क्या करेंगे? We have to do somewhere, we have to do what? Anti Markovnikov. So first of all, what we are going to do? We have this structure. Structure को हम ऐसे बना लेते हैं. We have Br here and we have CS3 here also.
And first of all, I will do this reaction with alcoholic KOH in order to get the alkene that I want. So the alkene that I will be getting will be this alkene here. And after that, what I will do, I will use HBr in the presence of peroxide. एक काम करते हैं, आप लोग को ज्यादा समझ में आए इस वजह से डबल बॉन्ड जो बनाते हैं यहाँ पे बना देते हैं, डबल बॉन्ड हियर. ओके, सेम स्ट्रक्चर था तो जो पहले बनाया था, peroxide. So anti-Markovnikov rule will have CH3, CH3, CH and CH2Br. Okay, this is third butyl bromide, this is isobutyl bromide. So can you see again this combination, alcoholic KOH, anti-Markovnikov. Here we have elimination reaction, here we have addition reaction. Okay, so this combination of elimination and addition is very important. Elimination and addition is very important. सबको समझ में आया SNOP cell में, हाँ या ना? All of you got this?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Okay, fine. See, यहाँ पे देखिए, अब थोड़ा सा जो है बढ़ जाएगा. यहाँ पे we have 2 chloropropane and we have to go propanol. So 2 chloropropane, 2 chloro Cl, and I have to do what? Propanol. Now somewhere here, as you can see, somewhere here what we have to what we have to use, we have to. अच्छा, ये कैसे बनेगा? Propanol तो कैसे बन जाएगा? आपको सबको पता है that if I will have, let's say Br here, and I will use aqueous KOH. I hope ये आपको दिख रहा होगा, yes or no, please tell me.
Yes.
I hope you can, without even writing, है ना, अगर हम लिखते भी नहीं तब भी आपको ये चीज दिख रही होती कि I can make alcohol from haloalkanes, right? I can make alcohols from haloalkane. Now, how to make this from chloropropane to 2 chloropropane to 1 bromopropane. So इसके लिए आप लोग को बिल्कुल दिख रहा होगा यहाँ पे. At first I will do what? Elimination reaction, that is with alcoholic KOH, and I will be getting propene. And from here to here, how I can go? This is very easy. बताइए क्या होगा reagent यहाँ पे, please? What will be the reagent here?
HBr.
peroxide.
HBr peroxide. Marks मिलने हैं जो लोग जवाब दे रहे हैं. Please remember this. Those who are not answering. आ गया नहीं आ गया बताइए. Can all of you see this happening? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now you have a very important concept. ठीक है, जिसको आपको याद रखना. If you look at the previous reactions here, we had isobutyl bromide, we had bromopropane, we had 2 bromopropane, 2 N-butyl iodide, 2 chloro 2 methyl, and then we had but1ene to but2ene. Okay, then we had these reactions, ये तो one step वाले reactions, the benzene diphenyl वाले. ठीक है, all of these reactions में आपके पास कुछ ना कुछ था. Now when you look at this reaction where you have got alcohol, so if you get anything other than haloalkane, ठीक है, तो आप क्या पूछेगा? Can we make this using RX, है ना? या फिर if it is a benzene containing, तो आप पूछेगा can we make this using ARX? Okay, so once you answer this question, can I make propane 1-ol from haloalkane? Yes, we use aqueous KOH, है ना? फिर आप देखिएगा कि हम लोग कैसे जाते हैं RX से ROH. You will look at the reagent. Once you look at the reagent, you will draw the subsequent haloalkane. Then you have to go कि इस haloalkane से इस haloalkane कैसे जाए. Now you can easily see that 2 chloro and 1 bromo है. Then I will be using the combination of elimination then addition. Elimination then addition. Clear है सबको? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us move to the next one. ये आसान है बहुत. Ethanol to ethyl fluoride. चलिए. First of all, tell me, is there any chemical reaction in which we can go from alcohol to ethyl fluoride? Can we make alcohol to fluoride? ये बताइए आपको. Alcohol to fluorides.
No, sir.
There is no reaction, right? I hope all of you can see that. Yes or no? Please tell me. Alcohol से fluorides का कोई reaction. But what we can do? है ना? So what we can do?
Substitute by halogen, then
हाँ.
by addition with metallic fluoride, we can obtain.
Yeah, correct. Cl. And then what will we be using? Tell me. कौन सा metallic fluoride बताइए?
AgF.
हाँ, we can use AgF or Ag2F2. Can all of you see that? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good. Propene to propine. Now this is going to be important. Propene to propine. इसको हम ऐसे बनाते हैं आपके कार्बन एटम से। CH3 CH double bond CH2 and I have to do CH3 C double bond, कंट्रोल सेट नहीं होता है, C triple bond CH. Okay, so we have to introduce what? One more double bond. So whenever you are introducing one more double bond, that means there is some kind of elimination which is going to happen. है ना? We are going to more unsaturated system, so there will be elimination. So in order to do that elimination, what we are going to do, first of all, I will add here Br2. What this Br2 will do? This Br2 will add Br in this carbon atom and on this carbon atom also. If you remember, there is alkene. Alkene may we have three reactions. We can also make vicinal dibromides or vicinal dihalides, as you may see in your notebook. So we will get CH3. We will get carbon, which already has hydrogen here, and it will get a Br. Similarly, this carbon, it already has what? Some hydrogens, and it will get Br and Br. Okay, hydrogen and hydrogen here. Next thing, what we are going to do? Next thing, we will eliminate one molecule of HBr. So alcoholic KOH use कर लेंगे हम लोग, ठीक है, उसी से आप लोग ज़्यादा comfortable है. So this Br and this hydrogen will go, right? This Br and that hydrogen can go. And wait a second, rather I should say which कौन सा Br जाएगा. हाँ, ये Br जाएगा, ठीक है. This Br and this hydrogen will go. And what are you going to get? And you are going to get CH3, single bond carbon, and we already have a hydrogen here, double bond carbon, Br, and one hydrogen is here. One hydrogen is here, okay? Kitna bacha hai? Now what we have used, alcoholic KOH. Now in the next step, when you are doing this reaction, again what we can see, there is one more elimination which can happen from where this bromine and this hydrogen can go. But please remember, we can't use alcoholic KOH now because alcoholic KOH is not so strong that it can eliminate from a double bond, because RO negative जो हमारे पास यहाँ पे हमारे पास base है, that is going to get repelled by this pi bond here. Okay, so it is not very much इतना reactive नहीं है कि it will attack on a pi bond also. So we take a more reactive base, that is sodium amide, okay, which is sodium amide. So we will be taking sodium amide, उससे reaction कराएंगे हम. Second reaction जो होगा NaNH2, and NaNH2 is going to eliminate this Br and hydrogen, and then we will be putting up a triple bond here. So this is the reaction. Now another way of doing this reaction is, देखिए हम यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं आप लोग के लिए. Please see here. What we are using, first of all, we will be using Br2. And the second reaction हम क्या कर दें? If I use instead of alcoholic KOH, यहाँ पे भी अगर हम NaNH2 use करते, then it would the product would be same, right? Product कुछ different नहीं होता. So what we are doing, rather you can write 2 moles of NaNH2. This is also going to do your work. Can all of you see that? Yes or no? Please tell me. We are doing addition and then elimination and then again elimination. Okay, addition, then elimination, then again elimination. So we are going to get what? Triple bond here. We are going to get triple bond here. Okay. So propene to propine. Propene to propine. Let us move to the next one. Propene to 1-nitropropane. Propene to 1-nitropropane. Now you answer me. Can I make nitropropane from haloalkane? Yes or no? Can I make nitropropane from haloalkane? हाँ या ना बताइए, मार्क्स मिलेंगे.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. What is the reagent that we are going to use to make? कौन KNO2 वाला कौन है? पोटेशियम का सपोर्टर कौन है यहाँ पे? पोटेशियम का. If you have a bond with nitrogen, अगर कार्बन नाइट्रोजन बॉन्ड है, then it will be always Ag. Okay, it will be always AgNO2. So we'll be using what? AgNO2. अच्छा. Now this haloalkane that I'm going to make, यहाँ पे you will have all of these carbon atoms. अब ये बताइए 1 2 3 4 ठीक है. Which carbon should have the halogen here? Which carbon should have the halogen? Which carbon should have the halogen here? Please tell me.
1.
Very good. कोई 3 बोला क्या? 1 carbon will have halogen. नबील खान आपकी तो बिल्कुल आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
Yes sir, I'm answering.
आंसरिंग हमको तो आवाज नहीं आ रही है. एक बार आंसर कीजिए बिल्कुल जब सब कुछ चुप हो जाए, है ना, या फिर आंसर करते रहिए बिल्कुल डिस्टर्ब कर करके. ठीक है. और यहाँ से यहाँ कैसे जाएंगे बताइए. ओहो सॉरी माय बैड, हमने थोड़ा सा ज्यादा बड़ा बना दिया. माय बैड. 3 कार्बन होंगे, हमने 4 कार्बन बना दिए. यहीं पे बी आर तो लेकिन यही लगेगा. ओके. नाउ यू टेल मी हाउ विल आई गो फ्रॉम propene to 1 bromopropane? What reagent should I use?
HBr peroxide.
Yeah.
Very good.
HBr.
Peroxide.
हाँ देखिए नबील खान आपका तो अभी भी जवाब नहीं आया.
H2O2.
H2O2. तो आप तो गलत जवाब दे रहे हैं, आपने पढ़ाई भी नहीं की हुई है. पढ़ के आइए नबील खान, ऐसे गलत जवाब मत दीजिए फिर तो. And here we'll have HBr in the presence of peroxide. ठीक है. HBr भी बोलना होता है, सिर्फ peroxide से काम नहीं चलेगा. And also we don't use H2O2 peroxide, we use some organic peroxide here. ठीक है. If you look at your notes, I have told you guys that CH3O and then CH3. This is methyl peroxide. You can also have benzyl peroxide, है ना. So generally we use this type of organic peroxides here. Okay. So let us move on to the nenext question.
One question, sir.
हाँ बताइए
In
बताइए.
our textbook for preparation of haloalkanes from alkenes, it says only addition of hydrogen halides like HBr or HCl.
And question कहाँ है आप?
No, sir, like then how does peroxide come in?
नहीं peroxide है देखिए आप.
So it says addition of hydrogen halides. Alkene is converted to corresponding alkyl halide by addition of hydrogen chloride, hydrogen bromide, or hydrogen iodide.
And then
propene yields 2 products. However, only one predominates as per Markovnikov's rule. That's it, sir.
And they have ended it.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा. So you go to the questions. Okay. So let me tell you, NCERT जो पढ़ाता ना, NCERT has few ways of teaching. NCERT can include few things only in the text. Okay. Or they can also teach you via examples and questions. Okay. So let me just wait a second. हम बताते हैं आपको कौन सा आप इसमें चाहिए. Files. Can you see there's something else written here? You need 13 class 11.
No, sir.
नहीं.
Propene. Yes, sir.
ठीक है. तो क्या बोल रहा है, उसका क्या मतलब है वहां पे? What does it mean?
Refer class 11 textbook.
है ना? Refer. तो फिर उसको रेफर करना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद एक और चीज बताते हैं. In the same page you have example 10.4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. 10.3 is there.
10.5.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. तो you can you see there is one question in which you have this benzene ring, then you have CH2. What happened?
So benzene ring, CH2, CH double bond CH2. Plus HBr is peroxide.
है ना? So now what is NCERT doing? It is teaching you via questions.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. देखिए जो NCERT में है ना, ऐसा नहीं कि जो सिर्फ टेक्स्ट पढ़ के चला जाएगा उसका हो जाएगा. If you are not doing the questions and examples, उसका भी नहीं हो रहा है. Okay, so propene to 1 nitropropane क्या बनाया था हम लोगों ने? We started with propene and we had to go to 1 nitropropane. So first of all, we saw that I can make this using Br. एक कार्बन कम हो गया. Using AgNO2, and I can go from here to here using HBr in the presence of peroxide. Okay, चलिए next one is propene to propaneol. ये बताइए आप लोग। Can I make alcohol using haloalkane? Yes or no? Please tell me. Can I make
Yes,
alcohol
sir.
using haloalkane? What reagent?
HCl,
अभी तो आप गलत हो गए
HCl2,
ना।
SOCl2.
अभी तो आप गलत हो गए। उल्टा 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 हो रहा है ना। अल्कोहल बनाना है haloalkane से। You have to make alcohol using haloalkane. नबील सारे मार्क्स लेके जा रहा है आज। No one else is answering. How can I make alcohol using haloalkane? Haloalkane से alcohol. Hishma?
Alcoholic KOH, aqueous KOH, aqueous KOH.
Aqueous KOH. हिश्मा आपने अल्कोहलिक केज बोल दिया।
No, sir, I said aqueous KOH.
एक्वस केज तो थोड़ा अच्छे से बोलिए, जोर से बोलिए। देख रहे हैं नबील कितने एनर्जी में है। सारे मार्क्स वही लेके चला जाएगा। एंड वी विल हैव व्हाट? बी आर हियर। चलिए, वो माइक ऑफ ही नहीं करके है, आप लोग शायद देख पा रहे होंगे। वो माइक ऑन करके ये सारे आंसर नहीं देने। ओके, नाउ टेल मी व्हाट रिएजेंट शुड आई यूज? व्हाट रिएजेंट?
HBr peroxide.
HBr peroxide.
HBr peroxide।
HBr peroxide.
हाँ, ये आखिरी वालों को थोड़ी ना मार्क्स मिलेंगे, सारे तो बोल दिए, उसके बाद बोल रहे हैं ये लोग HBr peroxide। ठीक है, HBr peroxide हो रहा है ना? हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है कन्वर्जन? बताइए ये सोनो पीसल में।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ना, ठीक है, तो डरना नहीं है कन्वर्जन से। इथेन टू ब्रोमो इथेन। पहले इथेन बनाते हैं, which is CH3 CH3। ब्रोमो इथेन is CH3 CH2 Br। Tell me what will be the reagent? क्लास देखिए, ये क्या है? HBr कौन बोला? Who said HBr? नबील खान।
Tell me. Yes.
रिएक्शन बताइए हमको, नोटबुक में कहाँ पे है? This CH3 ये क्या है? नबील खान, टेल मी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दैट, है ना? नबील खान आप ये बताइए, व्हाट इज दिस? अल्कोहल है या फिर हालोअल्कीन है या फिर एल्कीन है या फिर एल्काइन है, क्या है? व्हाट इज दिस इथेन? व्हिच क्लास, कौन से क्लास में आ रही? यस नबील।
Yes, sir. Ethane.
इथेन, अरे हम पूछ रहे क्लास कौन सा है? एल्कीन है, एल्कीन है, एल्काइल है, ब्रोमो एल्केन है या फिर हालोअल्कीन है, क्या है ये? व्हाट क्लास? नाम नहीं पूछ रहे हम। अल्कोहल है या फिर आपके पास कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड है या फिर ईस्टर है या फिर अमाइड है या फिर कीटोन है या फिर एल्डिहाइड है, क्या है? व्हाट इज दिस नबील?
Haloalkane.
तो आप कितने दिन हो गए आपको किताब कॉपी खोले हुए नबील? आप मिलिए हमसे, आप क्लास के बाद रुकिएगा, ओके? हाँ, व्हाट इज दिस? टेल मी गाइस, व्हाट इज दिस मॉलिक्यूल?
Alkane.
Alkane, right? This is alkane. Now you have to look in your reaction map, या फिर आप क्या देखिएगा?
Br
You have to make what? Br square।
Sir.
Br square नहीं होता है, Br2 होता है।
Yeah, Br2. My bad.
Br square नहीं होता। मैथ ज्यादा पढ़ लिए क्या आप लोग? हैं, मैथ ज्यादा पढ़ लिए? Br square। Okay, fine। In the presence of, there should be something। Please वो सारी चीज देखिए। Preparation of haloalkane using alkenes में जाइए। Those who have not, those don't have reaction map। जिनके पास reaction map है वो तो बता दीजिए जल्दी से। What reagent should we be using? What reagent should we be using? हाँ मीनाक्षी बोलिए।
Helper.
CCl4.
नहीं मीनाक्षी, आपने क्या कहा?
Yes, sir.
आपने क्या कहा बताइए तो फिर से एक बार।
Helper.
अरे तो हेल्पर का कुछ फुल फॉर्म नहीं है? हेल्पर क्या होता है?
Heat, electricity, light, and peroxide.
हाँ, अच्छा आपने भी हेल्पर लिख के छोड़ दिया है। हाँ, तो इसमें से कोई एक यूज करेंगे, है ना?
Yes, sir.
नहीं, बिया ये यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे? वी विल बी यूजिंग, करेक्ट मीनाक्षी, Br2 in the presence of light। फ्री रेडिकल हैलोजनेशन ऑफ एल्कीन्स, याद आया कि नहीं याद आया बच्चों? हाँ गाइस, टेल मी,
Yes, sir.
राइट? यू गाइस रिमेंबर नाउ? यस और नो? प्लीज टेल मी। खालिद, मैथ्यू,
Yes, sir.
मीनाक्षी, है ना? समायरा, you have this in your notes ना समायरा? लिखा होगा आप लोगों ने, right? Also in this preparation type of thing that you have done, Yeah, you have here Cl2 in the presence of UV. Correct. UV या फिर आपकी UV light हो गया या फिर आपके पास कोई भी light हो. Okay. This was one of the easy questions, right? Then let us move to toluene to benzyl alcohol. अब ये देखिए, this is very important. In this reaction, you will understand how to focus on a carbon atom. And which carbon atom should I focus on? Now, raise your hand if you think that some reaction of haloarene will be used here. Raise your hand if you think some reaction of haloarene will be used here. Please raise your hand. इस conversion में कहीं पे you will be using haloarenes reaction. Raise your hand. Achha, no idea. Okay, raise your hand if you think some reaction of haloalkane will be used here. Okay, Matthew, can you explain? Yes, Matthew.
So basically, whatever reagent is being used here is not acting on the benzene, it's actually acting on the CH3.
Yeah, very good. Correct. So, देखिए जो भी change हो रहा है. Nabil, you have the same answer, yes or no?
We use SOCl2.
SOCl2. आपने आंसर ही बता दिया. हाँ, तो यहीं पे है बात ये. SOCl2 से आपके पास तो नहीं होगा ना. आप कंफ्यूज हो जा रहे हैं नबील. हमको अल्कोहल बनाना है. I don't have to make haloalkane. तो थोड़ा हम अभी आप 4-5 क्वेश्चन के जवाब मत दीजिए. आपको लगता है सैचुरेशन पॉइंट हो गया है. आपके फिर मार्क्स माइनस में चले जाएंगे. समझ रहे हैं आप? यस नबील? हाँ, ठीक है. नहीं आंसर दीजिए, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है ना. आंसर दीजिए. So first of all, you can see that whatever reaction is happening on this sp3 carbon, which is a alkane carbon. Okay, this is sp3, and we are making benzyl alcohol. If you remember, there is something which is known as benzyl halide, and this benzyl halide is not aryl halide. Okay, so we will not use any reaction of haloalkane. So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to make this haloalkane. So to make this haloalkane, what we will be using alkane से फिर आप देखिए, बताइए, what should we use here? Let us say we are making CH2Cl, है ना. तो ये देखिए, ध्यान रखिएगा, this CH3 is there ना. So this is my alkane, and we are going from alkane to haloalkane. What will be the reagent? Please tell me, guys. Alkane to haloalkane, what will be the reagent?
Fe and dark.
अरे जिसको आता है वो जल्दी बता दीजिए, हमको इंतजार करना पड़ जाता है. बहुत लोगों को आता होगा यहाँ पे.
Addition of halogen with in the presence of iron 3 chloride in darkness.
क्या?
That electrophilic substitution.
मीनाक्षी, what did you say?
FeCl3.
वही हम तो इतनी दफा यही हम बोल रहे हैं. Haloalkane, alkane. Please look at the जाइए chemical properties में जाइए. Chemical properties, sorry, preparation में जाइए. Alkane to haloalkane.
Br2 in the presence of
Sir, Cl2
Br2H.
Cl2 with H mu.
पकड़ के मारेंगे हम सबको. बोल रहे जब हम आप लोगों को ना कि जाइए प्रिपरेशन में एल्केन के. गो टू द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ एल्केन. टेक्स्ट बुक में मत जाइए, मेरे नोट्स में जाइए. प्रिपरेशन ऑफ हैलोअल्केन यूजिंग एल्केन्स. एक ने किसी ने अभी सही जवाब दिया था. आई थिंक इट वाज हिश्मा. हिश्मा, डिड यू आंसर एनीथिंग?
Yes, sir.
व्हाट डिड यू से? टेल मी. अरे बोलिए.
Cl2 in the presence of Lect.
हाँ, वेरी गुड, करेक्ट. अभी बताया मूर्खो. देखो, एल्केन से हैलोअल्केन अभी बताया. बेंजीन देख के पागल हो गए सब. बेंजीन रिएक्ट ही नहीं कर रहा है. बेंजीन इज नॉट रिएक्टिंग गाइस हियर. फोकस फोकस, वेयर इज द फोकस? फोकस इज ऑन CH3. मैथ्यू, आपने तो जवाब भी दिया, फिर भी आप नहीं जवाब दे रहे थे अभी. हाँ मैथ्यू, व्हाट हैपेंड? रिएजेंट भूल गए आप.
Sir, yeah, I instead of saying Cl2H, I said Br2H3 by mistake.
Okay. All of you got this? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
नबील आप खास तौर से बताइए. नबील आपको समझ में आया? नबील अहमद.
Yes,
हाँ,
sir.
ठीक है. फोकस कहाँ होना चाहिए था? जिस कार्बन पे चेंज आ रहा है, किस कार्बन पे चेंज आ रहा है? एल्किन वाले कार्बन पे चेंज आ रहा है. So we have to focus on that carbon atom which is undergoing some change. Okay, so we will be using what? और उसी हिसाब से we will be classifying that particular molecule. So even though benzene is there, still I am saying what? It is an alkene because the reaction is happening on which carbon atom which is containing CH3. है ना? Which carbon atom? Which is sp3 carbon atom. That is alkene. So here you will write Br2 in the presence of H mu. And what will be the next reagent? Please tell me. अच्छा नहीं नहीं, यहाँ पे BrCl2.
Cl2. Sir.
Associate.
SOCl2.
Associated.
Correct. चलिए. Ethanol to propane nitride. Ethanol to propane nitride. So 1, 2, third carbon atom will contain Cn. Now tell me, can I make nitrile using haloalkane? Yes or no? Can I make nitriles using haloalkane? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What reagent is used? What reagent is used?
KCM.
Very good. KCN, है ना? And what will be having? अच्छा ये बताइए. This particular carbon atom will have how many carbons? This haloalkane. यहाँ पे haloalkane होगा. Is haloalkane? How many carbons should be there in this haloalkane?
4.
2.
Okay. I need more answers. How many
Can you
carbons?
repeat?
How many carbons? Should be in that haloalkane. Which haloalkane? ये वाला haloalkane यहाँ पे. How many carbons should be there? Tell me. Samira, how many carbons?
2.
Okay. Hishma, how many carbons?
2 carbon.
ठीक है. तो जब आप लोग का आंसर आ रहा है तो आप तो मेरा इंतजार क्यों कर रहे हैं पूछने का? हाँ, आंसर दीजिए. करेक्ट. नबील, कितने कार्बन्स? व्हाट डू यू थिंक? नबील अहमद.
Sir, 4.
4 कार्बन्स. क्यों भाई? वाई 4 कार्बन्स?
Yes, number.
देखिए आप नोट्स में देखिए. So we'll be using CH3 CH2Br, है ना? तो यही Br है. It is getting converted to Cn. So whenever you are using, है ना, यहाँ पे देखिए, whenever you have eth to prop, यानी कि increase in 1 carbon. So whenever you are increasing 1 carbon atom, then you will think of KCN. You will think of KCN. और उसके बाद यहाँ से यहाँ जाना तो बहुत ही आसान है. What is the reagent? Tell me guys. कैसे जाएंगे? What should we use?
HBr. HBr.
यार HBr ना, बस HBr यूज कर लीजिएगा, हो जाएगा. और else I think I should make it Cl, है ना? Cl कर देते हैं इसको ताकि अपना बेस्ट रिएजेंट SOCl to thionyl chloride यूज कर पाए, है ना? करेक्ट. चलिए, write the next one. हाँ. Now once we have done with nitrile, na, so write these 3 reactions of nitrile. I will also explain this. First of all, write these 3 reactions. Important reactions of nitrile. Done everyone? Yes or no? Please tell me. जल्दी लिख के बताइए.
No,
Done, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Done.
Done, everyone? Yes or
Done,
no?
sir.
Please tell me. Done. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what happens? First reaction we will see. How many molecules of water we are using? Tell me, guys. How many molecules of water?
1.
One reaction, one molecule. But I hope all of you know that when जब हम reaction करा रहे हैं, when we will be doing this reaction, we will have a container in which we will put water. Now, in that container, there will be millions of water molecules. Okay, so you understand that there will be many water molecules which can do the reaction. So वही होता है यहाँ पे. Please see how it happens here is. You will get one oxygen with hydrogen and hydrogen, and the other oxygen will bind like this. Okay, and from one water molecule you will get double bond carbon, and from other water molecule you will get the OH bond, and NH3 will leave as NH3. Can you see this NH3 leaving? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
NH3. So you will get what?
Yes, sir.
Carboxylic acid. You will get what? Carboxylic acid. You add water into nitrile, you will get carboxylic acid. Now let us look at the next reaction. So the next reaction is two-step reaction. Okay. So even though we have written Grignard reagent in the presence of water, but please remember that these are two different. एक सबसे पहले आप ये करा लीजिएगा. First of all, we will add RMGPR. In the next step, in another container, we will be doing the water one. साथ में मत डालिएगा, because we know that the Grignard reagent should not be brought in the presence of water because it will make now alkane. Grignard reagent will make alkane if I bring it in close to water, in contact with water. So first reaction कैसे होगा? We have this delta negative, R negative, और यहाँ पे carbon के पास क्या है? Delta positive है, because it is bonded with more electronegative element. So this R will bind here. ठीक है? R will bind here in the first reaction इस तरह से. And when the R will bind, this particular bond will be broken. This particular bond will be broken, and the MgBr will add here on nitrogen. Okay. So the first reaction that is going to happen will look something like this. That you have R, MgBr. This R is getting bonded to carbon atom, and the MgBr is bonded to nitrogen atom. Okay. Then the water will come, and what will water do? You will have a reaction like this. This is water. So this water will bind with carbon atom and make a double bond. Okay. So for example, you have to make RCN, and this R dash, if it is CS3, MgBr, then the product will be double bond O. This R is here, and this CS3 of Grignard reagent will come here. Okay, this CS3 of Grignard reagent will come here. Is this clear? Yes or no? Please tell me. Ye wala part.
Yes, sir.
Right. Next we
Sir,
have
can you explain
Li.
it again? Sir.
Wait, I will explain. So first of all, what will happen? RMGPR. In this, first of all, R group will get attached here. The MGPR will get attached here. Then we will add water. In water, oxygen will get attached to carbon atom like this. So this R is a general R, right? This R alkyl group. But if I use a specific R group, that is CS3 MGPR, then how you have to make the product? This will be same RC. It is coming from nitrile. This is RC. So this will be R, carbon atom, and then double bond oxygen. This oxygen is coming from the water molecule. And then this R dash will be what? CS3 coming from Grignard reagent. CS3 coming from Grignard reagent. All of you got this? Yes or no? Please tell me now. Salman,
Yeah.
aa gaya aapko?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Now the next one is LiLH4. It is very good, the best, I would say, reducing agent. That means it adds hydrogen, so it will add hydrogen on carbon, upar niche. It will give plenty of hydrogen atoms. That is why you get CH2 and NH2. And the pi bonds breaks here. Okay. So you'll remember three reactions. Pani dalo, carboxylic acid. You will get acid if you add water. You will get ketone if you add Grignard reagent and then water. Yeah, please remember this is one and this is second reaction. Okay. And then if you want to make amine, you will add LiLH4. Now all of these three reactions will come again in ये आपके पास आएगा कब? In your aldehyde third chapter of organic chemistry. This will be also in third chapter of organic chemistry. This will be in the fourth chapter of organic chemistry. I mean, again, but we'll be looking at this in more details. Right now, you will remember these 3 reactions here. Okay. And now, can you see? You have bromomethane, CS3, Br, and we are converting this to CS3, carbon double bond O, CS3. Okay. Now, please remember, whenever you see this type of thing, na, bromopropane, and you are starting with methane, and then there is more number of carbon atoms. Okay. You have having more number of carbon atoms. So, meth se prop, that means you are increasing 2 carbon atoms. First carbon atom will be increased using KCl. Second carbon atom will be increased using RMGBr, Grignard reagent. Okay, please listen here. First of all, what I will do, I will use KCl. Then in KCl, what I will make? I will make CS3 CN. Oops, sorry. CN, CS3 CN. Now I have got 2 carbon atoms. I have to increase 1 more carbon atom. Then I will be using, in the first step, CS3 Mg Br. Okay, so CS3 Mg Br, it will give me CS3 carbon. This carbon will get bonded with CS3. Okay, this carbon, and it had double bond with nitrogen, triple bond tha ek bond toot gaya, nitrogen, and this nitrogen will get Mg Br. Okay, in the next step, second step, I will add water, and I will be getting what? Ketone. All of you got this? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes,
first step is what about others, guys? Hishma, Samaira, Nawal, Minashi, you guys got this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. KCN, second step will be using CS3. Now this CS3 is coming from the Grignard reagent, MgBr, and the third one will be what? The third one is water. ठीक है, देखिए बहुत ही important reaction है. Let me color code this, then you will understand. This CS3 is coming from this CS3. ठीक है. Now, then we have the this carbon atom. It is coming from this KCN ka carbon. Okay. And then we have the other carbon atom, which is your green one. This green carbon atom is coming from this CS3. It is very important reaction, right? अच्छा इसको लिख लीजिए आप लोग please. ये शायद भूल जाएं आप लोग, याद ना रहे.
Sir, you will send the PPT with this one, right? With the answers.
No.
Okay.
You have to do this once more ना. अभी तुम समझा रहे हैं. That is why you will get an idea. फिर alcohol phenol ether में तो हम समझाएंगे भी नहीं. I will not even teach in alcohol phenols and ethers because वहाँ पे आपको अपना brain लगाना है ना. I hope आपको ये पता चल रहा होगा that conversions are very different from simple reactions. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
है ना. So there is like थोड़ा सा उसमें क्या बोले हम, like it is simple reactions only with some added flavors. That means you have to think कि इससे पहले क्या बनेगा, उसके बाद क्या बनेगा, those things. That I am teaching here. मेरा मकसद यहाँ पे reactions सिखाना नहीं है. My aim is to give you the patterns how you have to think about conversions. Now those things you will be applying in the next chapter, alcohol phenols and ether. Okay, done guys? Yes or no? Please tell me. But also one more thing is that you may see that the sequence of question is different in haloalkane. I will give you the sequence of question that you have to do in alcohols. जो NCERT में है ना, उस sequence को मत apply कीजिएगा. जो order होगा questions का वो हम दे देंगे आप लोगों को. Okay? Don't do the, I mean, alcohol phenols ether में जो order है उसको मत use कीजिएगा. Done? लिख लिया सबने? यहाँ पे एक और चीज आप देख सकते हैं कि ये जो वाटर मॉलिक्यूल है ये कहाँ से आ रहा है. So what color should I use? Blue भी हो गया, dark blue, purple आएगा. This water is, this oxygen atom is coming from this water. So यहाँ पे we have 4 atoms and all of these 4 atoms are coming from 4 different molecules. So that is why carbon becomes very interesting. It is like you are taking atom by atom and then you are preparing some molecule. Now it is completely purely atom by atom. You have 1 carbon from CH3Br, 1 carbon from KCN, 1 carbon from your Grignard reagent, and then you have the oxygen atom from water. That is why like chemists, they get very engrossed when they are preparing some molecules and synthesizing things, that they can use 1 atom from here, the other atom from that carbon atom, and then they can produce something which is completely new. चलिए, let us move forward. लिख लिया आप लोगों ने? yes or no? Please tell me. All of you are done.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Ethyl chloride to propanoic acid, है ना? So we have chloride to propanoic acid. That means we will have CH3, CH2, and COOH. So we have 2 carbons here. We have 3 carbons here. So increase in how many carbons? Tell me. Increase in
1 carbon.
increase in 1 carbon. So you have to think about. जब भी increase in 1 carbon होता है, किस reaction के बारे में सोचेगा आप लोग? Tell me. Think about
KCN.
ठीक है, think about KCN. तो यहाँ पे देख लीजिए. First I will do the reaction with KCN. I will get CN. अब ये बताइए, what should I add in nitrile to get carboxylic acid? We have 3 carbons यहाँ पे, and here also we have 3 carbons. What should I add to get
H2.
carboxylic? Water molecule. ठीक है, देखिए. I hope it becomes very easy. Even though propanoic acid ये reaction कभी भी नहीं था, but आप लोगों को अगर ये पता है कि nitrile से carboxylic acid पानी डाल के जाता है, then it becomes very easy. Okay. चलिए, next question. This is same question here again. Benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol. CH3, CH2OH. And this is phenyl ethanoic acid. So phenyl ethanoic acid is benzene ring. We have here CH2 and COOH. ठीक है. Now आपको फिर से यहाँ पे I hope all of you can see that there is no use of this benzene ring. Nothing is happening here. Yes or no? Everything is happening in this part. Correct. So please focus here and tell me what is this? What is the change you can see? You can see the first change, that increase in how many carbon atoms? Please tell me, guys. Increase in
+1.
1 carbon.
1 carbon. Increase in 1 carbon. Okay. So what you will think of? Tell me. Think of
KCN.
KCl. Okay. What is the reactant in KCN? बताइए. KCN में reactant क्या होता है? What is the reactant? ये तो reagent हो गया ना. This is KCN is reagent. What is the reactant here? क्या यूज करते हैं? किसके साथ रिएक्ट करता है KCN?
So we have to first convert
Alcohol.
अरे नहीं
halide.
The
haloalkane के साथ, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
right? Okay. So first we will convert this to haloalkane, and what we will be using? Please see that this is alcohol. Phenol नहीं है, alcohol है. So we will be using SOCl2. SOCl2 से I will get CH2Cl. Now I will think of KCN. I will use KCN. I will be using here what? KCN. I will get CH2Cn. Now यहाँ पे क्या यूज करेंगे बताइए? What should I use here?
H2O.
ठीक है. Now I hope you can see that. If you just in your mind, आप इसको बोलिए please, ठीक है? जब भी आपको दिखे ना that there is increase in 1 carbon atom, you will say I will think of KCN. अब फिर KCN ही देखें. KCN ही ने कहा ना कि आपको यहाँ पे रिएक्टेंट में हालोअल्केन चाहिए, तो फिर आपने अल्कोहल को किस में कन्वर्ट किया? हालोअल्केन में कन्वर्ट किया. देन यू आर गोइंग टू मेक हालोअल्केन, फिर KCN, फिर उसके बाद पानी डाल के कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. So this is the pattern that I am talking about. This is the thought process that you should have. You look at start कहाँ से किया हमने? Look at the carbon atoms, which is very simple thing, है ना? Which is very simple thing. You can count the carbon atom. What is the change here? We are increasing 1 carbon atom. Now, whenever there is an increase in 1 carbon atom, what we are going to use? We are going to think of KCN. Then, if we have already here the reaction in which we can do KCN, that means if we have haloalkane, so it's very well and good. If not, then we will convert this particular substrate, the starting material here, to haloalkane. Then we will use KCN. We will get our nitrate, and after adding water, I will get my product. Okay. So please think of this way. Please think of this way. Okay. Now let us move to the next one. अब ये आ गया सवाल, which is the very good question. Ethanol to butane. CH3, CH2, OH to butane. CH3, CH2, carbon triple bond, carbon and hydrogens. Okay. There are few things जो आपको यहाँ पे नजर आ रहा होगा. First of all, unsaturation बढ़ रहा है तो कहीं ना कहीं elimination होगा. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
है ना? अच्छा, एक और चीज आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा कि यहाँ पे अगर ट्रिपल बॉन्ड आ रहा है, कहीं पे ट्रिपल बॉन्ड आ रहा है, तो एलिमिनेशन जो होगा NaNH2 के साथ होगा. Yes or no? I hope you can see this also because alcohol ही कुछ कर नहीं सकता है ना? तो ये कुछ चीजें आपके पास. And there is something you can see that and also this, ये कौन से चैप्टर में है? Haloalkane में, right? Somewhere we have to convert this this alcohol to what? Haloalkane. ठीक है? So these are few things जो आप ना दिमाग ऐसे बिल्कुल reagent नहीं सोचना रहता है। आप पहले थॉट प्रोसेस देखिए कि चेंज क्या हो रहा है, एलिमिनेशन मतलब अनसैचुरेशन बढ़ रहा है तो एलिमिनेशन होगा, तब फिर रिएजेंट पे जाएंगे। डायरेक्ट रिएजेंट पे कभी आपको नहीं मिलेगा कि अल्कोहल से आपको ब्यूटानाइन मिल जाए। ओके, सो लुक एट द चेंजेस दैट इज हैपनिंग हियर। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, इसको अपने चैप्टर पे लेके आएंगे। दैट मींस व्हाट इज आवर चैप्टर? व्हाट इज आवर चैप्टर? टेल मी।
Haloalkanes, Haloarenes.
हाँ, so what we will do here? Tell me.
SOCl2.
SOCl2. So right here, SOCl2. Okay, we'll have SOCl2. So in SOCl2, what we'll be getting? Tell me.
CH3CH2Cl or ethyl chloride.
And chlorine atom here. Okay, and next what we will be getting? Now when I get this, now you have to दो चीज आप कर सकते हो यहाँ पे, ठीक है? You can do two things here. Do we have any triple bond in our whole haloalkane haloarene chapter? कहीं पे ट्रिपल बॉन्ड है? आप ये बताइए।
No.
नो, ठीक है, हम बताते हैं। गो टू न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन, जहां पे हमने इस तरह से आपको वी हैव फर्स्ट डन द रिएक्शंस में जाइएगा, है ना? न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन ऑफ हैलोअल्केन्स। इन दैट वी स्टार्टेड विद KCN AgCN KNO2 AgNO2 एंड देन उसके बाद हमने बोला कि RX है and we can use some other reagents in order to do halo nucleophilic substitution। तो इस तरह से हमने बनाया हुआ होगा कहीं पे, नोटबुक में देखिए आप लोग, वहां पे एक ट्रिपल बॉन्ड है कहीं पे, मिला कि नहीं मिला?
कैसी?
नहीं, न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन बोल रहे हैं ना, न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन। नहीं, एक कार्बन कार्बन ट्रिपल बॉन्ड है, कार्बन कार्बन ट्रिपल बॉन्ड नहीं मिला। देखिए है कहीं पे? नहीं है।
No, sir.
नो, समायरा, हिश्मा, मीनाक्षी, आप अपने इसमें देखिए रिएक्शन मैप में है कि नहीं है?
Sir,
देयर इज ना, क्या है बताइए हिश्मा?
C triple bond C and Na plus.
बाकी लोग को मिला ये रिएक्शन? यस और नो? दिस रिएजेंट, डिड ऑल ऑफ यू गेट दिस रिएजेंट? यस और नो? प्लीज टेल मी। इन न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन
It's not there in textbook, sir.
टेक्स्ट बुक में नहीं है,
No, sir.
मार
Yes,
खाइएगा
sir,
आप।
it's there.
टेबल देखिए आप, टेक्स्ट बुक में टेबल बना होगा एक, न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन का। मिला टेबल? नहीं मिला टेबल? बताइए।
Sir, table is there, but
हाँ,
C
ये
triple bond C is not there.
अरे देखिए, फिर से देखिए आप, ठीक से देखिए।
No, sir.
नोटबुक में आप देखिए, आप फिर इन योर नोट्स यू टेल मी इज देयर, है या नहीं? नोट्स में देख के बताइए। नोट्स नहीं लिखा है क्या आपने?
Sir,
नबीर
it's
अहमद,
there, sir. It's there,
नोट्स में
sir.
है ना? हाँ, तो इस वजह से हम बोले नोट्स आप पढ़िए, ठीक है? नोट्स में देखिए। अच्छा, सो व्हाट यू कैन डू हियर इज, आपको अब क्या चाहिए? देखिए ये CH3 CH2 तो है यहाँ पे, ठीक है? देयर आर टू वेज इन विच यू कैन डू दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन। दिस CH3 CH2 इज ऑलरेडी देयर। आपको क्या चाहिए? यू जस्ट नीड CH triple bond C negative or Na positive. Okay, now this will have delta positive charge, sorry, this carbon will have delta positive, chlorine ke paas delta negative. This carbon negative will come here and it will attack on this CH2, and what you will be getting? CH3 CH2, and then you will get this carbon atom. This carbon has triple bond CH. ठीक है, एक तो ये रिएक्शन है। ओके, यस और नो? ये आप लोग कर सकते हो. फाइन.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Yes,
दिस
sir.
इज वन ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट यू कैन डू. नाउ अनदर थिंग दैट यू कैन डू इज, देखिए, जो कि आई वुड से दैट इज माय प्रिफर्ड वे ऑफ डूइंग, व्हिच इज अ बिट लॉन्गर. Now if I think in terms of a chemist, what they will do if they have to make this, first of all ये इसके दो parts कर लेंगे. Okay, so they will have this CH3 CH2 and they will make two parts of it. दो अलग parts कर लेंगे. एक part से ये क्या करेंगे, they will do first of all alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH, they will get CH2 double bond CH2. After that they will do Br2. They will get Br in this CH2 and then they will get CH2 Br. यहां से फिर ये क्या बना लेंगे, they will add here NaNH2. And in NaNH2 one molecule अगर हम यहाँ पे इस्तेमाल करेंगे, then they are going to get CH triple bond CH. Then again they will use NaNH2. And this reaction of NaNH2 is what? It is from 11th standard. That this alkyne ना, ये जो आपके पास हाइड्रोजन होता है, this is acidic hydrogen. And this sodium amide, it is a base and it is going to take this hydrogen and you will get CH triple bond C negative. Okay, and Na positive. Now what we have done here is, the only thing that we have done here is, rather than taking a reagent which is CH triple bond C negative and Na positive, we have prepared our own CHC triple bond C negative using CH3 CH2OH, है ना? Reagent वही इस्तेमाल होगा इसके बाद. Now once you have prepared this particular reagent, you will use this reagent here, Na positive, and then you are going to get CH3, same reaction जो हो गया अभी, CH2 C triple bond CH. Okay. Now you can either do this reaction, या आप ये reagent जो है आपको use करना, you make it from this CH3 CH2OH or you just add it like this only, है ना? In both the cases you will get marks, don't worry. Now हम तो यही बोलेंगे कि आप यही prefer कीजिए, that you are doing this reaction. Simple. Forget about that chemistry part here. Okay.
Sir, what did you write there, by the way? Na.
Yeah, ये NaNH2 है. Same thing है, NaNH2. Sodium amide. Okay. इसको लिख लीजिए आप लोग प्लीज. Write this down.
Sir, after sodium amide, how will we convert it into final product, sir?
सोडियम अमाइड को फाइनल प्रोडक्ट में नहीं कन्वर्ट किया ना.
Okay, sir.
ये these two are reacting with each other ना, and there it is going to get this triple bond negative and sodium positive. Got it?
Yes, sir.
लिख लिया सबने? ये सुनो प्लीज टेल मी.
No, 1 minute, sir.
हो गया? डन एवरीवन?
No, sir, 1 minute.
जल्दी लिखिए, जल्दी लिखिए.
Done, sir.
Now the next reaction is ethanol to butane 2-ine. Now अभी जो reactions किए हैं हमने, I mean those reactions will only be used here. So please see, we have CH3, CH2, OH. So first of all, SOCl2, I will get CH3, CH2, Cl. Then I will be using alcoholic KOH, and I will be getting CH2 double bond CH2. Then I will use what? I will use Br2. So Br2 will give me Br, CH2 single bond, CH2 Br. Now here I will be using NaNH2 to remove the Br2s. Okay. So 2 times if I use NaNH2, I will be getting CH triple bond CH. यहाँ तक तो सब कुछ सेम है जो कि आपके पास पहले रिएक्शन में भी हमने किया था. अगर हम लोग अलग से दोनों को बाइफरकेट करके अपना रिएजेंट बनाना चाह रहे होते, तो हम ये करते हैं. ठीक है, राइट से जाऊँ यहाँ तक लिखिए आपको पहले CH ट्रिपल बॉन्ड CH बनेगा. Okay. Now in the next reaction, if I use 2 moles of NaNH2, तो क्या होगा देखिए, पहला NaNH2 आपका ये हाइड्रोजन ले जाएगा, this hydrogen will take this hydrogen, and the next NaNH2 will take this hydrogen. So we'll get C triple bond C, one negative charge here, the other negative charge here, Na plus and Na plus. Please tell me ये reaction समझ में आया नहीं आया? This is the class 11 reaction, okay? NaNH2 का alkyne के साथ. We are using 2 moles of NaNH2. 1 mole of NaNH2 will take the hydrogen from one carbon और फिर दूसरा वाले दूसरे कार्बन से ले जाएगा. बात समझ में आ गई? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, what you are going to do? देखिए, आपके पास but2-ine बनाना. तो what is but2-ine? We have CH3, C triple bond C, and CH3. Now we have this C triple bond C. What we need? We need this CH3 and this CH3. So if I need CH3 and CH3, I will react this with CH3, let us say Br. अब देखिए ये कार्बन नेगेटिव जो है ये अटैक करेगा यहाँ पे, है ना, एक कार्बन वाला. So you will get what? You will get here. तो ये Br निकल जाएगा. You will get CH3, C नेगेटिव जो है वो पॉजिटिव बन जाएगा, न्यूट्रलाइज हो जाएगा यहाँ पे, सॉरी, न्यूट्रलाइज बिकॉज इट इज अटैकिंग. You will have ट्रिपल बॉन्ड C नेगेटिव Na पॉजिटिव. फिर से आप क्या करा दीजिए, इसी CH3 Br से रिएक्ट करा दीजिए. अब क्या होगा, अब दिस कार्बन विल अटैक ऑन दिस CH3 and you will get CH3, C triple bond C, and this CH3 will be attached here. So this is your but2-ine, है ना. And शायद NCERT ने इसी रिएक्शन को सबसे पहले में दिया हुआ है. Hishma, is this the first reaction in NCERT?
Sir, I did not solve it from NCERT.
अच्छा, तो फिर कहाँ से आप कर रही थी?
Sir, from the school assignment again.
Oh, assignment में दिया था. Okay, okay.
So we can directly write 2CH3Br, right? If
हाँ, you can directly write. हाँ, लिख सकते हैं, बिल्कुल लिख सकते हैं. हमने दिखाने के लिए कि एक स्टेप में क्या हो रहा है वो लिख दिया, ठीक है. But you can write it. I think but2-ine या but1-ine. That is the first question in NCERT for conversions. I remember this because 12th standard तो हमने भी पढ़ा ना. So I was facing problem while doing conversions because 11th class 11th के reactions याद ही नहीं रहते किसी को क्यों यहाँ पे इस्तेमाल हो जाएंगे. So this reaction was the hurdle. This reaction was the hurdle. Done guys, yes or no? Please tell me.
1 minute, sir.
जल्दी लिखिए. नबील खान, आपकी कब तक छुट्टी है? When do you have holidays? Till when do you have holidays? Nabil Khan?
Yes, sir. Till August.
अगस्त ना, तो आपके पास लगभग 1 महीना है. आपको क्लास 11th के कुछ पोर्शंस में दिक्कत है?
Yeah, sir.
ठीक है. So I am sending you a playlist. ठीक है. And Nabil Khan, right? And you have to start from, I will tell you from which lecture. This is the 8th lecture of class 11th organic chemistry. Up please wahan se start kijiye, okay? And if you have problems in nomenclature, then for that, I think best thing will be to watch my lectures. All of you have written this, yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is for IUPAC nomenclature, okay? Okay. So ethanol to butane ho gaya. Let's see the next one. Benzene to 4-bromo nitrobenzene. This is very easy. You have benzene to Br and NO2 is there. Okay. So first of all, we will add Br. Br add karne ke liye you will add Br2 in FeBr3. So you will get Br. And then what we are going to use? We are going to use concentrated HNO3, nitration of haloarene. Electrophilic substitution reaction. Na? Concentrated HNO3 and then concentrated H2SO4. We will be getting nitropanzee because Br is what? Ortho para directing. है ना? तो NO2 पहले नहीं डालेंगे, पहले क्या डालेंगे? पहले Br डालेंगे. So we are getting para. We are getting para product. तो जिसका प्रोडक्ट वही पहले. Para product तो para पहले. Okay, so first para. Para directing कौन सा है? Br है. NO2 क्या है? Meta directing होता है. ठीक है? So first we will add the para directing group here. Let the next one देखिए. Aniline to chlorobenzene. This is also very easy. We have done this in the class also. So in aniline, what we have NH2, and we will add NaNO2 HCl 0 से 5 dB in low temperature. What I will get? Benzene disonium chloride. We'll get N2 plus and Cl negative. यहाँ पे क्या ऐड कर देंगे हम लोग? Chlorobenzene to CuCl. Cuprous chloride we will add, and I will be getting chlorine here. Okay, so this is from the class only.
So what
Aniline
is
to
under the first reactant, sir?
what is the name?
No, sir, under the first reactant.
0 to 5 degrees Celsius. 0 to 5 degrees Celsius temperature. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
And these things are not important for you, please. ठीक है? आप ये याद रखिए. हम लोग की आदत होती है लिखने की, so we write this down, teachers. But these are really not important for you in CBSE examination. आप reagent लिख लीजिए, आपके लिए काफी होगा. Okay? तो उतना ज्यादा दिमाग मत खपतान कीजिएगा अपना टेम्परेचर के लिए. Next one is chlorobenzene to P Nitrophenol. Again, this is going to be easy. This is chlorobenzene, and I have to do. यहाँ पे देखिए SN भी हो रहा है. This is going OH and we have NO2, है ना? तो ये देखिए, ये फर्स्ट आपके पास क्या है यहाँ पे? You are going to have SN, nucleophilic substitution हो रहा है, and you also have SE. सबसे पहले SE कराइए. SE will be what? Concentrated HNO3 and H2SO4. Both of these are concentrated. ठीक है? I will be getting no like this. Cl and NO2. Then यहाँ पे आपको क्या कीजिएगा? Aqueous KOH in the presence of heat. Temperature याद करने की जरूरत नहीं. This chlorine will be substituted by OH here. This chlorine will be substituted by OH. I hope you can see this reaction is Se and this reaction is Sn of haloarene. Okay. Let us look at the next one. Isopropyl alcohol to iodoform. अब जैसे ये reaction है ये आपको याद करना पड़ेगा. This is not present in your textbook or I will see in the notes also. This reaction you will remember. Okay. This is important. What is happening here? We have so this is one of the method of preparation for iodoform. That is why it is important. So right here, isopropyl alcohol क्या होता है? It's your isopropyl group. Isopropyl में 3 कार्बन होंगे. OH डाल दीजिए बीच वाले में. तो इधर एक CH3, इधर एक CH3. Isopropyl. And plus we will be using 4 molecules of I2 plus 6 molecules of NaOH, and some heat will be required to form CH3I. Sorry, CHI3. CHI3. This is iodoform. ठीक है. Plus you will get other things. I will write it this down for now. CH3COONA बन जाएगा. And पानी तो बनेगा H2O. We will get some sodium iodide also. Okay, so this is your iodoform. Okay, this is your iodoform. Also, last reaction है उसको भी लिख लीजिए. देखिए, aniline है.
So can you just do the
Aniline.
last reaction one more time, sir?
हाँ, इसको कर लेते हैं फिर दोनों का स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
NH2. Now this is one of the chemical properties of chloroform. CHCl3 यूज करते हैं plus alcoholic KOH, and also in little heat you directly get phenyl isocyanate NC plus KCl मिल जाएगा and you will get water molecules.
Sir,
Take a-
alcohol KOH, it is reactant, it is reagent or reactant, sir?
Reagent.
Okay, sir.
It's not substrate. 5, 4. Take a screenshot. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Done, sir.
And take a screenshot here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so these are the
Done,
only
sir.
2 conversions that you have to remember.
Sir,
हाँ बताइए. ये वाला
no, the back one.
back one, this one, aniline.
Yeah,
Mhm.
thank you.
चलो, thank you guys, thank you very much. Okay, अब देखिए एक तो one thing, हालोअल्कीन हालोरीन की जितने भी अगर किसी को बचे हुए हैं चैप्टर्स कंप्लीट करने, मतलब लेक्चर नहीं किया है, नोट्स कंप्लीट नहीं है, उन सब चीजों को प्लीज कंप्लीट कर लीजिए. इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल बी डूइंग अल्कोहल, फेनॉल्स एंड ईथर. सो आई डोंट वांट एनी बैगेज फ्रॉम हालोअल्कीन एंड हालोरीन. आई विल बी अज्यूमिंग दैट हालोअल्कीन हालोरीन आपका पूरा हो चुका है. हाँ बताइए नबील.
Sir, you said 30 experiment
कन्वर्जन आते हैं.
We
हाँ.
did only 28.
हमने तो ये भी कहा था भाई, एकदम बिहारी हैं आप तो बिल्कुल. कहाँ से हैं आप? ये तो बताया था हमने कि 30 हैं, 2 रिपीटेड हैं, 28 ही कराएंगे हम. नहीं कहा था हमने?
Yes, sir. Sir, can you say which are the 2 repeated ones?
एक तो बताया था हमने कि वो है आपका बेंजीन से बाइफिनाइल और डाइफिनाइल है. ठीक है. From benzene you have to make biphenyl and diphenyl. That one is repeated. And toluene to benzyl alcohol is repeated. Toluene to benzyl alcohol.
Okay, sir.
ना हमको याद आ रहा है. Toluene to benzyl alcohol, that is repeated. Okay, चलो. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. ठीक है. Please हालोअल्कीन हालोरीन पूरा complete कर लीजिए. In 1 or 2 days I will also give you guys the previous year question paper of haloalkane halorine, that means from 2020 to 2013 or something. ठीक है. चलिए. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.